Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can reset your template on Squarespace, so let's get right into it. Now, on Squarespace 7.1 and further, you are not able to reset your templates. However, what you can do is reset your style, which is pretty much what you should be doing anyway. Now, on Squarespace 7.1, as far as I'm aware, only a couple of templates are used, one or two. All of the templates that you see when creating your site, as far as I know, are just variations of the same template that you're using. But if you are unhappy with your style or how it looks, you can easily change that, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it right now. Now, once you're on your store, or on your website, just go into website, click on styles, and then from there you can go ahead and select any style you want. Now, let's say I selected this style, but I'm not happy with how I changed it. The colors I've changed to something else, the button as well, and now let's say I want to reset it. Now for this, you're going to need to click on whatever you want to reset. For example, for fonts, just click reset font pack, click reset, and now the font has been reset. You can also go to colors, reset the colors by scrolling all the way down, or I'm not sure where you can reset the colors. It looks like you can't. I was under the false impression that you can. But yeah, you can select the themes or the colors that you want for your site here. So you'll have to manually reset that, even more manually than actually clicking the reset button. If I go into buttons, as you can see, you can change the button packs as well. And you can also manually reset everything here. And you can also go back into forms, and you can also reset the form to whatever you want it to be. However, manually, the only thing that you can reset through a button is the font pack, sadly. And then you can also go into miscellaneous and go into animation, spacing, and image blocks, and you can change the options here to whatever you prefer and reset them to the default values if you know. If you don't know what the default was and you just want to change back to the default template, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to create a new site and then just swap the URLs of those two sites so that the site shows through all of the new site shows through all of the links for the previous one. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.